Do you need a real estate lawyer when buying real estate in New York City? We'll demystify this topic in the following video. I'm Nickett Housett, based here in New York City. Check out our website, housett.com, to learn how to save money if you're buying or selling a co-op, condo, or townhouse here in New York City. So let's get started. The short answer is yes. Here in New York City, you are required to use a real estate attorney when buying a property. This is very different from most other states, where brokers typically take the lead when it comes to handling standard purchase and sale contracts. So, what does a real estate attorney actually do in New York City? After an offer has been accepted, the buyer's real estate attorney takes over and handles all aspects of contract negotiation, legal and financial due diligence, as well as the closing process. Hiring a competent real estate attorney is arguably more important than having a veteran buyer's agent by your side when buying a home here in New York City. This is because buyer's agents are only responsible in New York City for matching buyers and sellers on price and key transaction terms. However, there is nothing binding about an accepted offer in New York City. Your attorney is the one who is tasked with taking you from the accepted offer stage to a signed contract, at which point the transaction becomes binding. As a result, it's extremely important that you have an experienced, trustworthy, and competent real estate attorney guiding you through the process. Slow, unresponsive, or rude lawyers routinely kill deals here in New York City. Just think about it. If you have an accepted offer, but your lawyer takes days to respond to emails, this will delay the timeline for a signed contract, thereby allowing other buyers to submit offers and possibly outbid you. Just remember that a seller can entertain other offers until the moment they countersign the contract with you. Now, if you have a rude lawyer, she or he probably will butt heads with the seller's attorney and possibly get into pedantic arguments about fairly unimportant language in the contract. This will prolong the process, exposing you to being outbid, and it will also reduce the likelihood of both sides ultimately agreeing to a workable contract. Therefore, be extra focused and thoughtful when choosing your New York City real estate attorney. Here are some important questions to ask when interviewing real estate attorneys in New York City. What other areas of law do you practice outside real estate? Will you personally be working with me, or will you hand me off to your paralegal? How attentive and responsive will you be? Is your legal fee all-inclusive? What does your due diligence entail? Are you affiliated with a title company? What kind of insurance coverage do you have? What kind of computer or email security does your law firm employ? Please check out our dedicated blog post, which explains why each of these questions are mission critical. The link is below in the description. We also have a dedicated list of New York City real estate attorneys on our website, housett.com. Click the link in the description to learn more. Before we let you go, let's answer one final question. How much does a New York City real estate attorney charge? Well, the average real estate attorney in New York City charges a flat fee of $2,000 to $4,000 to handle a purchase from start to finish. Legal fees can be as high as $5,000 for a more complex transaction and for new developments. There are also light touch discount lawyers available who charge flat fees as low as $800. So there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. We'd greatly appreciate it. I'm Nickett Housett, and we'll see you on the next video.